你好, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, my name is Katrina. I'm the founder and teacher of Smart Mandarin, and my job is to help you speak and read Mandarin with confidence and joy. In today's lesson, we're going to take a look at some characters that look very similar alike to each other, and I'm going to help you how to distinguish one another. And if you end up liking this lesson, don't forget to download the free guide that I have already prepared for you. It's 30 commonly used Chinese radicals that I help you to memorize with ease. Now, without further ado, let's get started. The first pair of words are niu and wu. They look very similar. Niu meaning cow and wu meaning noon. How do we remember those characters? First of all, niu is cow, so I give you an image of cow. Remember, with the niu, you have one stroke up on the top. Niu. This is how niu is written. And the next character looks similar to niu, which is wu. And just remember that at noon, wu meaning noon, right? At noon, there's a person working very hard under the sun, and his head is looking down and working. Though you don't see a stroke above, that is wu, which means noon. And this is how wu is written. Great. Another pair of words that is easily to be confused is mu and ben. Mu meaning wood or tree. As you can see that I give you a Christmas tree image because one of my students once told me that this mu, wood or tree, looks exactly like a Christmas tree. Mu. And this is how mu is written. And another similar character is ben. Some of my students say it's really hard to distinguish them. So just remember that ben is one stroke different from mu. The stroke is in the middle. So just imagine that people cutting down the tree with an axe to make paper and books. So that's one stroke with ben. Ben is the measure word for books and magazines, and this is how ben is written. The next one is yi or ji. Oh my god, these two words look so similar. Let's take a look at ji. Ji meaning self. So originally, the word ji is used for memorizing or recording stuff. So long time ago, people memorized things with rope. That's how you see the rope image in the word ji. Ji, now it means self. And now let's take a look at another very similar word, which is yi. That means already. Originally, this character comes from a fetus, a baby inside mommy. So with this image, you could imagine that the mother already has a baby. And the one more stroke on yi, you can imagine that it's an umbilical cord. How do you say that in English? It's an umbilical cord right there, yi. And this is how you write the word yi. And another similar word is mao and shou. One of my students say they look very similar. So mao is coming from the image of a feather, and it also means feather or hair, body hair. Mao, and you can just imagine that how the feather flies, mao, and this is how mao is written. The next character is 手, 手 meaning hand. It looks like mouth, but just imagine how you put your hand. It's just the image looks like your hand 手. And this is how you write 手 in Mandarin Chinese. The next one is Li and Dao. Some of them told me that they look very similar. Li meaning strength or power. So there are one more stroke up here. I don't know if I am doing this the right direction. So you just imagine that a person is showing his muscle like this. Power, strength. And this is how Li is written. And the next character is Dao. There's no one more stroke top, but as you can see that Dao is originally coming from the image of knife, Dao. It's very similar, right? And this is how Dao is written. Alright, I hope these images has helped you to memorize and tell the differences between these confusing characters that looks like each other. And if you like this video and want to learn more about Chinese character, I have prepared a free guide for you that I collected 30 commonly used Chinese character for you with images that you can memorize with joy and ease. Just go get a worksheet in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!